Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2007 Chevy Uplander and I will show you how to remove and replace the gas fuel door. As you can see, mine are completely broken. The spring inside doesn't do anything anymore. It's rusted out and you can't really even close it the right way or open it the right way. This video will apply to Chevy Uplanders, Pontiac Montanas, Buick Terrazas and Saturn relays. Now this may seem like an easy task. The door itself is held by only 2 screws, but the problem is you'll have to somehow wiggle this whole assembly out. So to do that you'll have to remove this plastic piece that's surrounding the gas tank, and then you will have to disconnect the cable, the latch cable which is connected to that assembly, and that's the hardest part actually. So once you remove all the screws, I'll try to show you that cable. Then if you're lucky you can maybe do it with your fingers through this side. If not, I will show you other way how to reach that cable and disconnect it and loosen it up. You have couple of options where to get these fuel doors. You can buy aftermarket. I've seen them on Amazon and eBay. You can buy a new one from dealer, but your best option is getting one from a car salvage like I did, especially if you're able to find the same color. So before I get to work, I wanted to show you how this actually looks. So that's why you'll have to disassemble a couple of things, because you somehow have to pull this complete assembly out, and there is no really space to do it. So that's why you'll have to remove that plastic cover that's surrounding the gas tank. Okay, so to start you'll want to remove 4 7mm screws. You'll have 2 here on the top and 2 will be just there on the bottom. Okay, so these are the screws. Once you remove them, this gas door will be completely loose and ready to be removed, but like I said, there's absolutely no way to pull that assembly out through this small opening. So next thing to do, you'll have to remove couple of again 7mm screws. You'll have one down here, one will be just here inside, I hope you can see it, and one on the other side, right inside here. So remove those 3 7mm screws. Okay, so once you have removed the other 3 screws, you want to remove the gas cap. So first you want to detach it from this plastic piece. So just pull this out. Okay, just like that, and then just unscrew it and remove it. And once you have done that, everything is ready. You want to pull this plastic piece straight out. There is nothing else holding it, so just want to grab it with both hands and pull it out. If you still can't do it, use something like a flat screwdriver just to pry it out around the angles, because if it hasn't been removed in a long time or maybe never, it can get a bit stuck. Okay, this thing will have a couple of clips around here. It can get a bit tricky to pull it out. Come on. Okay, and now once this is off the way, now finally you'll have enough space here to remove the gas door, but not so fast, because there is still a cable connected to that gas door which you have to try and disconnect. Now like I said, you can try to do it with your hand through here, or try to show you, or the other option is you can do it through the inside of the vehicle, but you'll have to remove part of the inner door panel to be able to access that cable and loosen it up. Okay, so I will try to zoom it in and show you that cable, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to do it because it's quite a bit inside. So the idea is you'll have to pull the cable out through this hole, so you'll have to slide it all the way from the back up to here to be able to remove it. I'll try to squeeze my phone inside there, but I don't think I'll be able to record it. There just isn't enough space for it. Yeah, I'll try to explain you on this one actually. So the idea is the cable will be attached right here. It's kind of similar thing like with the inner door handles, and then just have to slide the cable through this opening all the way to here to pull it out. Now, like I said, if you can do it with your fingers through here, just try to push that cable and pull it out. If not, I will show you now how to actually access that cable and loosen it up enough so you can pull that fuel door more out and then detach the cable. Okay, so you want to get inside the vehicle, and the idea here is you want to pop out this panel right here, the big one in the middle. So there is no screws holding it or anything, just use like a flat screwdriver to pry it under here and then just lift it straight up. And this will get you access inside here, and now I will show you how to detach that cable. Okay, so I will turn the flash on my phone and the cable will be located just down there all the way. I'm not sure if I'll be able to record it. You can probably see it down there. So just have to squeeze your hand inside all the way down there and feel it, and there is like a small pin which you can pull to disconnect it and get it out from its housing, and that's gonna loosen it up enough so you can pull that gas door out and disconnect it. Okay, just a bit more and I think I'm good now. Yeah, I'm not sure if I can really record this. There is no space to get my phone inside there, but the cable is down all the way down, you see. Now it's disconnected and ready to be detached from the gas door. And now once everything is nice and loose, it will be easy just to pull this a bit more out and detach that cable. Okay, just like this. You can see there is that cable right inside here. Okay, I'll try to turn on the flash on my phone. There is the cable, you see it? And that's pretty much it. This is how you can remove the gas door on a Chevy Uplander. It's not the easiest task, I can definitely tell you that, but it is doable. It wasn't designed to be ever replaced as far as I can see, but if you put some effort into it, you'll be able to do it. So you just have to remove a bunch of 7mm screws, then remove this plastic around the gas tank, and then you'll have to loosen up that cable to be able to disconnect it. And now you can just install the new gas door. First you want to attach that cable right here through this opening, slide it, and then just put all the screws back, and that's pretty much it. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.